Right here we are on Grantham Road. We are at the tank, working from the toilet flange. We're going to pull back. That's PVC. There starts the liner. That was the one little slip of PVC to clay. These were all that spot roots were getting in. That was a terracotta joint. Right there's where we joined the liner. Still in the lined pipe where the clay was. Right there is the terracotta, the old terracotta to cast iron connection. As you can see, it's lined over. And then here's where the liner meets the cast iron. Cast iron back here to the toilet flange. And the cast iron is in good shape. No roots in that. The roots don't hardly ever grow through cast unless it's broken. Coming back, and we're almost to the toilet flange. That sewer line is in great shape for the shape it's in. For being terracotta, the terracotta is now gone with the line over with the liner. End of recording.